Want to hide a chat on Telegram without deleting it? You can do it in seconds. Here's how. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen. Now find the conversation you want to hide. Long press on that chat. At the top, you'll see several icons. Tap the archive icon. It looks like a small box with a downward arrow. As soon as you tap it, the chat disappears from your main list. It's now inside the archived chats folder. But let's make it even more hidden. At the top of your chat list, you'll see Archived Chats. Swipe left on it, then tap Hide. Now the archive folder disappears completely. If you ever want to access it again, just swipe down on your chat screen. The archived folder will appear again. Simple. This way you can hide chats without deleting messages and without blocking anyone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Telegram tips.